Good morning, sweets. How you guys been enjoying the Trinidad vlog so far? This battery's dead. Good thing I charged that one last night. Alright, so we just woke up today. It's Saturday. We're gonna go to Soca Brainwash today. But it's early morning now. Soca Brainwash is at noon. It's early morning now, so we're making breakfast. Yeah, we haven't had cereal since we bought it.
We haven't had time to have cereal since we bought it.
Oh my god, we slept last night for the first time since being here.
First of all, we're sleeping for more outside.
So we went to the pool last night and we fell asleep in the pool.
Oh gosh.
It was a great time, I can't lie. It was so relaxing. It was very nice. So right now we're just making some eggs for breakfast. We have our ginger tea on deck because, you know, drink like a tea, bust some gas and so. Ooh, that hot. Can't drink that right now. Ooh, that cup burnt my lip. So we're just making some eggs to eat with some avocado. We have tuna. Do you think we should cook up some tuna to eat with it? It's like separate.
We're not good at it yet.
Yeah, so we're gonna make eggs, tuna, and avocado because our oven will make our oven.
And also we can't be doing this starch. We have to keep.
Yeah, like we have jump up there in a couple days and we are bloated AF. So we're trying to get our act right. It might be because we haven't been sleeping or eating real meals. So I'm gonna chef up some eggs. Let go. We got some scrambled eggs, some tuna, some charred tomatoes, and avocado. That is a well-balanced plate, okay? Okay. Eating time.
I'm hungry.
God no. We just finished eating breakfast. As you can see, our plates are really empty. That was good. I actually really enjoyed that. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Hi sweets, so we are on our way to Soca Brainwash.
Soca Brainwash!
It's an Asian themed party and as
We
you can see, we'll go on.
We decided not to do the cutesy, floral, you know, Asian stuff, which are great. But everybody's gonna be in that.
Yeah. So we're more of like a anime type vibe.
Like ninja anime fusion. That's legit.
Yeah.
The inspo.
And a touch of Kim Possible. Yeah. Yeah, so the next time you'll see us in the party getting all bad because we are definitely feeling ourselves today. We look
Honestly,
cute.
I needed this.
Like all the details worked out from here to ear cuffs to everything. So see.
So we are headed to Soca Brainwash. We said that, but I forgot to tell you guys that we're stopping to pick up my Monday wear because I can only pick it up today between 4 and 6. Soca Brainwash finishes at 8. You can't re-enter. So it's almost 4 o'clock now. So I'm hoping that when I go, them have them shit together and them ducks in a row so I can collect it and we can go and enjoy the party. I'm tired for go party late. Tired for go party late. So yes. So we're almost there now, right? We're 8 minutes out. So and then once we get there, it's like a 2-minute drive to the shuttle service for Soca Brainwash. So let's see how Monday wear costume collection goes. Hello. Hi, I'm picking up my Ryoko Celia stuff. Awesome, thank you. Hello. This is the giant backpack I was telling you guys about. Awesome. And this is Monday shop, so they have just like a bunch of different things that you could wear on Monday if you wanna. Anyways, we have to go. I have to go. Hello. So I got it. I didn't even look at it, so I'm just gonna hope that it's fine. But we gotta go. Thank you. Ah, there you go.
Is anybody from Jamaica? What about
All you feel is Joker making. Oh, it's a photo backdrop. It's so
Where's
nice.
only one survivor?
I am impressed.
Anybody survivor horn? Put your hands up.
I'm here.
If you are standing here right now, that means you survived the horn. But if you didn't get horn,
You can sign it.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna sign it right there.
let me party. Let me party. Everybody sounding good right now. Let's get one. Everybody. Vincent Flag.
Yes.
Respect to the Vincent. Everybody. I want them together. Put 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 them together. We don't see it. We don't see it. We don't see it. We see it. We don't see it. Take some water. Who flew the furthest to be here? Who's from Asia? Who's from Asia? That's all line. Nigeria, raise your flag again. Nigeria, catch. Catch Nigeria. You ain't from Nigeria. You from Brooklyn. Stop playing. Anybody from New York City?
It's a video.
Yeah. Okay. This one is a touchdown.
So we are leaving Soca Brainwash. We're in traffic right now. Like, let me show you. Bumper to bumper, bumper to bumper, bumper to bumper. Hey, hey. You know some could make a soca song? Fire, 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 fire. Fire in the place. Not true. Glenna does not agree. Oh, but could I just turn on the light? So we're leaving to go straight to Aripita Avenue because if we got home, we now come back because we don't live close. Go on, baby, go on. We don't know, miss. I don't want to can't come. Blood clot. Don't start. So we are right now. So we've been using Glenna's phone for data. And right now it now work.
Wow, I don't understand how that needed to be included in the video. Like, that makes no sense. How is this affecting the video? Why you needed to say that?
Because me I tell the people them say we go Aripita Avenue past feet.
Oh, okay. So I never said that.
Well, I was getting there, but you've been all up in your feelings.
Yes, because you keep disrespecting my phone.
Nobody disrespecting your phone. We're just talking straight facts. It can't be disrespect if it's facts.
Anyways, our phone comes to the traffic so the phone can pick up back.
So we're hoping that's because we're in a, because there's a lot of people at Soca Brainwash.
Oh my gosh.
Like people like ants, and there were 2 different sections, and we didn't even bother to go to the other section, so I can't even imagine what the other section looked like.
I won't lie though, Soca Brainwash, like I'm really impressed that everyone stuck to the theme.
So impressed. Like
came out.
every outfit on Pretty Little Things was at waiting there, and the outfits on Pretty Little Things were nice.
Yeah.
Like, but the men is what really impressed me.
Yeah, they came the fuck out.
Like you guys would have seen it. I have to include the footage of the men. Like they never just wear one like a Chinese frock.
No.
Like they came wall. When I say wall,
floor-length capes.
The way out, like floor-length capes, dragons, like the whole shebang bang. Them did art man not live. I look upon them twice. Them did look real good. Them did stay real good.
Amazing, and I really love that.
I can't lie, like like sometimes you have a party theme. What me just following crowd? You have a party theme. Well, this is a one way, so you couldn't go down there anyways. You have a party theme and people are like, oh, whatever. But nah, like everybody was on theme, and even the people that weren't on theme were on theme, so they would have gotten like an Asian or Oriental color.
Yeah.
It was a good look. And they had so many things. Like they said, alright, we are do Asian theme. Everything about the culture go there.
Every single thing.
They had Japanese cherry blossoms.
They had the regular things that you would have expected, and then they had
so much more. Yep. I was impressed, I can't lie. Like the layout was huge, and then everything was just like, who thought of that? Like who said, yo, let's have a man doing Tai Chi?
A Tai Chi name? We don't know what name.
The slow martial arts that is therapeutic. I don't remember what name. I think it's Tai Chi at this point, but I'm not 100.
But yeah, like who has that in a party? And people were participating, and it didn't look like a man that was just doing a thing.
It was like
it was legit. This man knew what he was doing. What are you doing in a party doing Tai Chi? We don't know if a Tai Chi, but still, that's crazy. Also, we are driving with a whole lot of confidence.
I'm just following the people.
Okay.
Right now we're heading on a main road. And I don't know, well, everybody can't go that way there, and so you understand?
Alright.
We'll figure it out. Well, this is a one way, so it worked out. See that? Alright. We're so cool.
Yeah. We need to figure out our life.
Hi sweets, how your baby's doing today? So it is early in the morning and we are getting ready to go to Vale all-inclusive breakfast party. So it's
Sorry.
so it's supposed to be like a really good party. Apparently, like it's like a big thing in TT. So we are gonna go. I could not find an outfit for this party. Like everything that I bought did not fit, so I kind of just like bitched two things that I had together. We're not driving today, or at least I think we're still not driving today. We're going with Leah, which is Glenna's friend, so that should be great. I'm sick of driving, don't want to drive no more, had enough of driving. Yeah, so I just wait on Glenna to finish up and then we leave.
Everything up in the air right Alright, it is part 2 of the double day fetting. We're ready. We're going to beach house. All inclusive right now.
I think this is the most, well, barring this morning, this is the most on time we've been. This party starts at 4 and it's 5 and we're leaving now, so that's really great. I mean, it's gonna take us 40 odd minutes to get there, but you know, on time. So the party this morning did so nice. Like Vale did so nice. We came home, we took a quick nap, we wake up, we're fresh again and we're ready. So let the pumping start. Yeah, I feel like we should have done a double party like when we did just come, not the day before jump up. But you know, man, we're thugs, we're out here without fear. We're out here without fear. Remember all that noise we were making about it being 5 o'clock? You saw it there? It's after 7. At 7:30. 7:35 and we just reached. 7:35. We're not even inside the party. We're walking.
vlog here because I cannot be bothered anymore. This is exhausting. I've literally vlogged this entire trip. So if you enjoyed all of these videos, there's gonna be about 8 of these vlogs. Y'all ready for it?
Ooh, is this where you said please subscribe?
Yes.
Yeah.
So like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe.
Why is Ariana so happy about the subscribe line?
I feel like Ariana's wanted to do that all her life.
I haven't watched no video on YouTube. And
So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.